Hi there, I'm Corrine, and today on this beautiful winter day, I'm going to show you a technique I learned to be able to chop big pieces of oak like this. I had a really hard time with it before. I'm not so powerful in my upper body, and I learned this swinging technique, and it really revolutionized how I cut wood, and I'm able to live out in the middle of nowhere on my own, and I can chop my own wood. It's fantastic. So, I'm going to show you this technique. It's very, it looks a little bit scary at first, maybe, for some people, but after you get the hang of it, it's absolutely fine. And I have also lower back issues, so it really helps in my wood cutting situation as well. The first thing I find really important, especially if when you're not so strong, is have a very heavy axe. I used to always think that I would think I couldn't use an axe like that because it's too heavy. How would I pick it up? It's perfect. If you're not so strong, it's perfect. So you want a heavy axe, and when you pick it up, you just bend your knees and you pick it up like this, and you won't have the back trouble. The other thing, very important with cutting wood, is to visualize it cut. It's a really well-known thing. It was also taught to me, and you can experiment with this. It's really true. Like sometimes if you don't do it and you're like, I don't seem to be cutting anything. And then, okay, I have to visualize it. And then it's okay. Seriously. So, this swing. It doesn't matter how long I've been doing this, I still always measure. It's just what I do. So, I'm going to measure. I want my axe to go there. And I'm going to let the axe swing around my body, and I really let the axe swing down, and with its momentum I open my legs. Then I bend the legs so I'm not hurting my back, bend the legs and let the axe come down on the wood. So it's a kind of little hop, open the legs and down, but really bend the knees, protect your back, and let the axe really have a good swing so you're not using so much force. It's really, really, really good. So here we go. Measure, hop and hop. A little piece. And I have a small wood burner, so I have to make small pieces. And again, hop and oh, see, it doesn't. Oh, I didn't visualize it then, huh? It's true, I didn't. Okay, try again. Now I'm gonna visualize it. I put my thing there, I visualize it. Okay. And yes, that's the other thing really good to do if you have difficult wood and you're cutting it. I found this technique when I was watching Game of Thrones. And with all the axe wielding people, they make a lot of noise, and that also really, really helps. So you go, yeah, woo. It's great. You'll end up loving chopping wood, I tell you. You can get out all of your frustrations, and like I said, that swinging technique, if you're not so powerful in your upper body, it's fantastic. So happy wood cutting, everybody. Okay, bye.